Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we install 2013 Mercedes Benz C Class. 2012 to 2014 is going to be the same. Let's talk about this system first, okay? This original car comes with a 7-inch screen. Now we are going to replace it with the 10.25 inches high definition screen. This one comes with the newest version of the Android 10, and the hardware specification of this one comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core. It comes with the A-Core chipset. That also means it also supports the 4G LTE at the same time. That means if you have extra SIM card, you can also insert to the side of the unit. It's on the right hand side, and then you can access to the internet without connecting to the Wi-Fi hotspot on the cell phone. This system also comes with the Wi-Fi itself. The GPS is offline. You do not need to connect to any Wi-Fi to use the GPS. This system comes with the built-in navigation right here. So when you click on the navigation, it will just show up on the screen. How to use the GPS, basically just need to click on the bottom right corner here, and then new road, and then address, and then you can access to the internet here. This one also comes with the anti-glare screen. It also comes with the blue coating. Okay, it's very smooth, it's very nice. Okay, and this system also comes with the 1970 by 720 high definition screen. I'm going to show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi first. Go to setting, go to Android, go to network, go to Wi-Fi, turn on the Wi-Fi. This system also comes with the built-in wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto too. This system also supports the original command button. You can use the command button here to control all the features on the screen. For example, you can also go to the dashboard here. You will also connect to the computer, and then you will show the speed and RPM too. I will show you after. Other than the built-in navigation, it also comes with 2 extra navigation software. It also comes with the Google Map right here. You can also use the Google Map. Google Map is the newest version of the Google Map. You don't need to connect to any Wi-Fi to use this Google Map. This system comes with 4 GB of the memory and 64 GB of the storage memory. You can basically download the map data to the unit, and then you don't need to connect to any hotspot to use the Google Map. Once you connect to the internet, click on this one, offline, and then you can just download your map country to the system, and then next time when you use the Google Map, you do not need to connect to the Wi-Fi. Once you connect to the Wi-Fi, just go to setting, Android, network, Wi-Fi. When you turn on the hotspot on the cell phone, you will be able to see that on the menu here, and then you can just basically connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot. And then once you connect to the Wi-Fi, you can use most of the feature of the system. Like the YouTube, you can also watch the YouTube right here. You can see that it's very nice. Okay, other than that, you can also watch the Netflix right here, the tubing. Wow, the sound is excellent. This software will also preload on the system as well. This one is for free. It will provide millions of movies here. This system also comes with video in motion, so your passenger can still watch the movie while the car is driving, but not for the driver. Okay, and then you can also download the movie from the USB, and then you can play it on the system as well.
I'm dealing with the future of the planet. I'm the necessary shock to the system. I am human.
This supports all the steering wheel control. All the steering wheel control is fully functional. Other than that, you can also download any application from the Google App Store right here. This is the Google App Store. As long as you connect to the Wi-Fi, then you can download anything to the system. You can also download the WhatsApp too. Okay, now I'm going to show you something about the Apple CarPlay. This system also supports the wireless Apple CarPlay. But just keep that in mind, wireless Apple CarPlay, what that means, it uses the Bluetooth to pair at the beginning. But once they get paired, they will switch to the Wi-Fi channel at the background. That also means you cannot use the Wi-Fi hotspot and the wireless Apple CarPlay at the same time. However, Apple CarPlay won't let you to watch the YouTube. Don't get confused. You need to make sure Wi-Fi hotspot and the wireless Apple CarPlay. I'm going to show you how to use the Apple CarPlay right now. First of all, you need to bring out your cell phone. Okay. And then go to Bluetooth. Connect to the Bluetooth here. GOC SDK. Enter the password 000 pair. Perfect. And then now you just need to go to the Apple CarPlay app, C-Link. wait a little. Make sure by doing this, make sure the Wi-Fi on both sides is turned on. And then you will grant the authorization, use CarPlay. Once it's done, then just wait a little bit. For the first time, it will take a little bit while to pair, but the second time it's going to be very fast. You can also play all the music right here. The sound excellent. Okay, you can also use the Google Map right here. You can also use the check your message, check your Spotify. You can also use the Zoom right here. Okay, not every single application support the wireless Apple CarPlay. Okay, so you need to keep that in mind. Okay, so right now I'm gonna show you how to switch back to the original menu. Just click on car here, and then you will bring you to the original menu. Okay, this one also comes with the newest version NTG 6.0 MBUX. Okay, now it's done. For example, you want to watch the YouTube, you want turn off the CarPlay and switch to the Wi-Fi. You can see the Wi-Fi is turned off on the screen, and the Bluetooth too. But that's fine. The Wi-Fi is still functional at the background. They use the Wi-Fi to communicate for the Apple CarPlay. Okay, because the bandwidth for the Bluetooth is very limited. Okay, so actually the system will use the Wi-Fi to transfer all data. You can also make the phone call and use the GPS right here. Of course, the original GPS will still be working. Okay. One thing I want to show you is this system does not come with any amplifier. How they produce the sound, they transfer the sound from the original auxiliary channel. Okay, so if you want to use the system, then you need to go to NTG menu here. This is the original menu. Radio will still be working. Okay, then you need to go to audio on the upper left corner, switch to AUX. Okay, then click on OK. Now you can listen to the music. Perfect. The sound is excellent. Okay. NTG menu. Go back to the original menu. Click on OK. Then you can go back to the new interface here. For example, if I want to switch to the Wi-Fi hotspot, now I want to decide to watch the YouTube. Okay. Then you need to go to setting on the cell phone. Okay, don't turn off the Bluetooth. Just go to CarPlay search, CarPlay. Okay, go to CarPlay here, and then find this one, CJINNOVA-7B whatever, and then turn off the CarPlay right here. And then now you can just turn on the hotspot of the cell phone. For example, turn on the hotspot right here. Okay, so go to setting, go to Android, go to Wi-Fi, go to the Wi-Fi here, turn on the Wi-Fi, and then you will search the Wi-Fi here. Okay. Now, here we go. Enter the password 12345678. Click OK. Perfect. Now we connect to the Wi-Fi here. So once you connect to the Wi-Fi, then you can use some other feature like the YouTube. You can watch the YouTube right here. Okay. For example. Okay. Pull down a little bit from the top. You will see the home button right here. Okay, this system also supports the original camera too. If you want to install the aftermarket camera, if your car does not equipped with any camera, you can also connect the camera to the system. Okay, this is very nice, and it supports all the original features here. If you have any issue when you connect to the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, then no problem. Just go to the setting right here, scroll down to the menu, go to System, Reset Option. Reset Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth. Okay, this one will allow you to reset the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and allow you to connect it back again. Second thing is reset the app preference. Okay, that means if you install some application and you mess up with the setting of certain software, then you can reset the app preference. It will not delete any of the application. Okay, however, the last option is factory reset. This one will reset the whole unit to the factory condition. Okay, so most all of the software that you install after, it will be erased. However, the main core software will still be the same. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the car, and then you can see that the RPM is show up over there. It's very, you can also change the color here, depends on your personal preference. Okay, it's very nice right here. Okay, I'm gonna show you the setting after the installation. For example, right now is the original screen right here. If after the installation you have any issue on the original screen display, then no problem, just go to setting right here. Okay, and then scroll down to the bottom, FRAGI 1314, click OK, and then don't change anything here. Okay, car display, and then select the right resolution of your original screen. That's very important. Do not change anything else. Okay, perfect. This system can be purchased from our website, www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us, AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.